We're here from the University of Toronto, the psychology department, and from Baycrest Hospital, the Rotman Research Institute, to tell you about some recent research that we've done that reduces and even eliminates forgetting in older adults. Before we get to the details of these studies, let me tell you two basic facts about aging and cognition. The first of these is one that won't surprise you, and that is that older adults have more difficulty than young adults remembering information that they want to remember. The second fact is a little more surprising, and that is that older adults are more aware of the environment that they're in any given situation. And in particular, they store more information about distraction in the environment than do young adults. This led us to raise the question of whether we can use the environment, and in particular distraction, to help older adults remember and to reduce forgetting.
So students from the University of Toronto and older adults aged 60 to 78 actually came into the lab for the study. They studied a list of words and we tested their memory on the words right away and then again after 15 minutes. During the middle of this time, they did a picture judgment task in which they had to detect whenever a picture was repeated. The pictures were superimposed with either words or random strings of letters, which they were told to ignore. Critically, some of these distracting words were actually words from the memory list. While we expected younger adults to completely ignore the distracting words, we wanted to know if these distractions could actually boost memory for the older adults.
When we tested memory at the end of the delay, we found that older adults had better memory for the words that had repeated as distraction during the picture task, actually showing no forgetting for these words. In contrast, younger adults didn't benefit at all from presentations of useful distraction. They forgot words whether they had been presented in the picture task or not. So with this unique benefit for older adults, there were actually no age differences in memory for the items that had repeated as distraction. So we completely eliminated age differences in memory.
So our results suggest that older adults can actually use distraction under certain circumstances to serve as a useful reminder and boost their memory performance. And it's important to note that this type of reminding actually occurred even though older adults weren't aware that a rehearsal opportunity was taking place. So it's actually quite remarkable.